Friends, today I'll be telling you a hidden secret. It's a magical drink that the ingredients you already have at your home. And what really happens inside your body when you drink this warm milk with turmeric and with ginger. Turmeric, ginger, and black pepper, a little bit of a black pepper, just your local honey. Now, for centuries, friends, healers quietly have passed down this simple ritual. And warm milk, a spoon of turmeric, a little fresh ginger, a tiny pinch of a black pepper, and a spoon of a pure local honey. That is the key. Most people thought it's just a comforting drink, but something powerful happens once it enters into your body. The black pepper activates the curcumin inside turmeric, so your body can fully absorb it as if it gets unlocked and is ready to unleash the benefit the turmeric has for your health. The ginger wakes up your circulation and soothes the gut. Now, local honey coats and calms while feeding your body natural defenses. Your inflammation begins to quiet, your joints and your bone feel lighter and stronger as milk has calcium in it. Now your digestion becomes smoother and more comfortable. Your mind softens and sleep comes more easily because your body is now relaxed. Your body starts repairing while you rest. The key is the milk has to be neither cold nor hot. It has to be lukewarm. 1 golden cup, no complicated rules, no expensive supplements, simple ingredient that you already have at home, just an ancient combination that still works today. And I don't think so it will ever stop working. Drink it tonight, friend. Let your body remembers what it already knows. If this brought you any value, leave a comment, share it with your friends who need to hear this. They're going through joint pain, they are not able to sleep well, they feel anxious. Simple formula that you have at home. All you need to do is simply get your ingredients, get your vessel, crush it, and put it in a pan and just warm your milk and pour it and just enjoy. Right? That's all you need to do. That's it, friends. Cheers. Let me know what you think. Take care.